More than 400,000 people eat meals provided by the San Diego Food Bank each month. It has been busier than ever since the pandemic, according to their CEO.
Well, now they are bracing for more change. Federal funding cuts to the U.S. Department of Agriculture will impact how much food they receive and ultimately give. NBC7's Dana Williams visited their warehouse to see what will happen in the coming weeks.
We're here in the San Diego Food Bank warehouse where there's an entire section of pallets that all have the same pink label, EFAP, or the Emergency Food Assistance Program. It's food items that fall under this program that are at risk because of those funding cuts.
That program allows us to feed low-income individuals and families. We reach over 90,000 each month.
Casey Castillo is the chief executive officer for the food bank. He says they are the county's only emergency food assistance provider.
It is going to be a disruption to that program.
The federal government cut millions of dollars from the U.S. Department of Agriculture that was going to local farmers to be able to directly supply food banks nationwide with important items that are both healthy and typically very costly for consumers.
These are frozen proteins, eggs, milk, fresh fruits and vegetables, really key and nutritious food that our neighbors need.
Castillo says they knew this cut was around the corner, but the impact is going to be even greater than they anticipated.
What we were worried about over the last couple of weeks really became a reality on Friday.
He says that the government confirmed that more than 25 truckloads of pre-scheduled shipments over the next 4 months have been canceled.
That's nearly 2 million pounds of food, and that equates to about 1.5 million meals. That is devastating to the families that we serve, and certainly a big challenge for us as we look to continue to grow those distributions to meet that rising need.
There's only one other federal program the food bank has.
Our senior food box program reaches 16,000 seniors. Each month, they'll receive a 40-pound box of food.
And Castillo says he's not worried about it yet.
We're optimistic that there will be no changes to that program.
That same optimism that's helped them forge ahead before when times felt uncertain. And he says this is no different.
Our hope is that the federal government will see how efficient and effective this program is. In that, again, product from the USDA, these are American farmers, goes directly to food banks, then goes right out into the community.
In the meantime, they'll work with other food sources to buy the items the community needs. I'm Dana Williams, NBC7.
Those who receive food from the San Diego Food Bank under the Emergency Assistance Program may only notice a small disruption for a couple of weeks. Castillo says after that, their backup plan should kick in.